So some of you have heard me talk about creating a journal online using your blog as a journal, and you can definitely do that. I want to show you quickly an easy way to do it. And of course, I'm going to use Blogger again. You might remember from the earlier video, here's my Blogger. I still have the ELA9 blog, of course, with my Penguin post. But today what I want to talk about is how to create a private blog. Now, you're allowed on your account to have multiple blogs. You could have 10 or 20 different blogs going if you wanted to. I guess some people in the world do. We're not going to. We're going to have two. So we have our regular one. This is the public one where we're putting all of our writing that we want everyone to read. But I want to start a private blog. And I'm going to start by not writing a new post. That's on my public blog. I'm going to start a brand new blog, and that's right over here. Now, we've been through this process before, so I'm just going to call it right now my journal, and we're going to call it, let's see, Chiz Journal at blogspot.com. And so far, it's all the same process as before. We're going to try just a real simple sort of blog this time and let it create itself. Now, once it's done, I want to show you the part of it which is the most important one. There's my journal. Right now, it's public. But what I want to do is go to, well, let me show you what I just did there. I clicked on my settings, and I can do it over here as well, settings for this blog. And when I'm on my settings, I have a number of things here. I can change the title and the description and things like that. Right now it's listed on Blogger. It's visible to search engines. I want to change that. So I'll go Edit, and I don't want anyone to see it, and I don't want anyone to find it. Now it's a little more secret, so those changes are saved. It's not listed on Blogger. It's not visible to search engines. And then I want to go down here to permissions. Now right now, I'm the author. That's the way I want to keep it. You'll notice that you can make other people authors as well and add things. So if you want to have like a journal dialogue between 2 or 3 of you, you could do it there. But what I want to make sure now is that no one can read it except just maybe me and someone I invite. So I changed the blog reader to edit. And now you can see I have a couple of options. The public right now is open to all readers. That's how most of the blogs are set up. I can have it completely private where I'm the only one who can ever see it. Or I can make it mostly private where only me and anyone I ask can be there. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to put private, only these readers, and then add a reader. And to make sure that's clear, I'm going to make sure that Mr. Chisnell can see the blog. So I type in his address, Mr. Chiz at Comcast.net. I hit Save Changes, and now it says only those people can do that. And that's how it works. Now it says open invitation because I have to go ahead and accept the invitation later, and I'll be able to see that. But what I've done now is I've created a blog where no one can see anything on here except me. And when I post something, whatever it happens to be, I can write, these are my private thoughts, and no one will ever know them except me and Mr. Chisnell when he looks at them. And that's just how it works. Okay, so now I've got 2 blogs, and that's basically how it works. I can always go back and look at all my blogs and notice that I've got 2 now. I got my private one and my public one, and I can keep track of both of them the same way.